Namaskar, I'm Gogi from How To Do It. Today we're gonna talk about this OnePlus Smart LED TV, and we're gonna talk about our mobile phone, that how we can easily pair or connect our mobile phone and cast our mobile phone screen on our smart TV, that is the OnePlus Y1S Smart TV. So how we can do and what is the scenario? First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe the channel for get more videos like this. Now I'm going to switching on my TV first, and until it's starting, I'm gonna show you in my mobile phone screen what you have to do and what the process. You have to just go to the settings option of your mobile phone, go to settings, and after that you will find options like this, and there may you find cast option, mirror cast option, or you find this connection and sharing option. Click on this. After that you can use this cast, or you can just directly click on this wireless display. When you click on this wireless display, it will start showing options like this. Now we have to go to our LED TV, and there we have to go to this settings option over here, and over there we will find this Wi-Fi option. I'm using my remote, or we can just tap this Google Assistant button, and after that we can easily say mirror cast, or cast our screen, or mirror our screen. Now I'm just going to this Wi-Fi settings option like this. Click on that, and after that we will find options like this, and from there we have to choose this mirror cast option. I'm going to click on this mirror cast option, and after that it will start connecting to our mobile phone. Now we have to go to our mobile phone again, and maybe find our TV over there. As you can check out, this is the OnePlus TV over here. Click on this, and after that it will start connecting, and it will start showing you the mobile screen on your TV. That's the process. That's the way you can easily cast your mobile phone on the TV. That's the process. Hope you liked this video and understood that how we can cast our mobile phone our smart TV. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends, not forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning how to do it.